world of birds. Now we hope you will leave this show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take actions to help all our feathered friends across the world. Now, before we carry on any further, let me ask you our lost friend right here back home first. Home is that way. Alright? Just a bit more, by the way. This is our bantam chicken. Okay, there you go. Now, speaking about chickens, we have one more chicken joining us from that hut. Okay, everyone take a look at that hut, and very shortly a female bantam chicken will be joining us. Oh, there she is. By the way, that is Chicky. Chicky, right over here, come on. Hello, Chicky. Stop looking around. Everyone's waiting for you. This way. By the way, Chicky is also our female bantam chicken. Okay, can you all see her? I can't see her anymore. Chicky, are you there?
Bilal bhai baat par gaya
thi. She's shy today. Okay, but not already. Let's try to call her out together. Oh, there she is. Putri is there to usher her down. Chicky, this way, Chicky. Chicky, right over here. Come on. Yes, this way. Chicky. Come on. Everyone's waiting for you, Chicky. This way. Okay, are you ready to come down now? And yes, this way, Chicky. Come on. Okay, she's very close to my down. And a perfect landing. Let's give Chicky a round of applause. Now, many of us may think that chickens cannot fly, but that is not true. Chicky here has just proved us otherwise. Now, right now, we will be highlighting the natural behaviors of macaws. In the wild, macaws, they love to propagate on palm trees to feed on fruits and nuts. So if you look right up here, we have a tree and we have a type of fruit and a nut right up there, and that's where some birds will be landing. With that, everyone, look right up there. Here comes Gaia, our highest macaw. Two more friends who will be joining him. Look right up there once again, and here comes Lambo and Ferrari, our scarlet macaw. Now, macaws like them can be found in the jungles of South America. By the way, Gaia, she is one out of the 3 blue species that can be found in Jurong Bird Park. So, all you have to do is head over to the parrot paradise to have a look at all of them. Now, after feeding, these birds will fly to rocky areas, just like these, to lick up on clay or chalk. And this will help them in the digestion of any unripe palm fruits or nuts that they have eaten. It looks like Gaia is still up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be the next stop. In the meantime, we have 4 birds joining us on stage. Birds, they often get the fruits for their young, especially during nesting season. In fact, these 2 birds, they are going to have a little competition and they will need your support. So people from here to my right, you will support Zonda, our blue and gold macaw. All you have to do is clap your hands and you go, Zonda, Zonda. Alright, you can be louder, alright? Okay, now for people from here to my left, you will support Barry, our green macaw. You do the same thing, clap your hands and you go, Barry, Barry. Alright, so let's carry, now let's to the table. What I have with me is a hollow tree trunk. Now, what these 2 birds need to do is gather 4 fruits each. So, 4 fruits for Barry, 4 fruits for Zonda. Supporters, get ready, birds are ready and go! She wants one more game. So let's